Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. To do that is really simple. So first of all you have to check your internet connection, and to check the internet connection you can use some apps like Speed Test. Open it, and after that, as you can see, it tells you that you are connected to internet. You can click on go to test if the speed of your internet is good or not. So as you can see, the speed of my internet is pretty good. I can stop like that test. After that, you have to disable any VPN or proxy you are using, because sometimes proxies and VPNs may create some problems with your internet connection and make it a little bit slow. So for example, I have this Proton VPN. You have just to open your VPN and to be sure that it's not connected or it's not activated. After that, you have to restart your phone and to restart the Telegram app. So if the app is opened like this, you have just to swipe up and close it like that. And after that, close your phone and maybe leave it closed for 1 or 2 minutes and open it again. Another thing, you have to go to the App Store and check if there is any update for Telegram. Go to Telegram and check. As you can see, for example, the app here is up to date, no problem with it. And if still didn't work, you have to go after and try to open your Telegram account on a web browser or another device to be sure if the problem is with your account or the problem is with your device. So if the problem is with your device, which like the case that we are talking about today, the last solution for you is to delete the Telegram app, long press on it, click on remove app, delete it, and after that go to the App Store and install it again. And if you delete the app, you have to know that the secret chats are device specific and also they can be lost. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.